how do we as parents send our child into an environment that we know isn't safe?
A Calgary parent is considering moving her children out of province due to Alberta's stance on COVID measures. Last week, the province announced it would no longer require isolation for positive cases, reduce testing and contact tracing, and lift the mask mandate in schools.
It's bone-chilling to think that my child can be sitting in a classroom with somebody who's COVID positive and they have no requirement to be at home. It's the stuff that nightmares are made of. It truly is. It's hard for me to speak about it without getting emotional because these are my kids. And it's my job to protect them.
Krista Lee worries about her children ending up in hospital, developing long COVID, or passing the virus along to their elderly grandparents with whom they live.
It is very selfish to minimize and say, well, kids just get sick. This isn't the flu. I would like our premier to understand that this isn't the flu. And I think when scientists and when doctors and when researchers and epidemiologists are telling us that this is dangerous, it's honest to listen.
I think that these basic public health measures should not be set aside.
Child cases have increased in the United States, where some places have reimposed mask mandates. In Canada, children and teens made up 1.9% of COVID hospitalizations as of Friday.
There are a small population of those who've been hospitalized, let alone gone to ICUs, and thankfully who have died. But that doesn't mean that we shouldn't still be concerned about those. And the fact is that we really don't have enough information to comment on how likely is long COVID symptoms in children and what those mean.
Lee is now contemplating the mental health effects of at-home schooling or taking them back to her hometown in Newfoundland for school, leaving her husband behind.
It's a knot in your tummy. And no matter what solution you come up with, it sucks. It's a buffet of poor choices.
She says school boards need to release their plans so parents can make informed decisions. Stephanie Lasuk, City News.